Okay, what I'm showing you now is called an Amsler chart, but its name really isn't important. Same chart that I showed you before with the wiggly lines on, but obviously these are straight lines in a grid with a diagonal cross going through the centre. The test here is to focus on where those lines cross in the centre, so where the central point of the square will be, and then if you're able to just with your finger indicate where the patches of disturbed vision are for you, which is almost like asking somebody to point to something they can't see,
Yeah.
which is a bit odd.
I'm going to put my finger on it and wait for it to disappear.
Yeah.
There, my fingertip has gone. I can't see my nail varnish anymore.
Okay.
It's not. It's just reappeared, the top of it.
Yeah.
So then if I move it around this ring I was describing. Oh, it is actually disappeared all the way through the ring. So if I move it around this halo of fuzz. Apart from over here, it's much clearer over here.
Right top quadrant seems to be
This I can't see this here.
That's fine.
I'll use a different. I can see all of this.
Okay.
And we're back into fuzz.
Okay.
So it's
The reason we're doing this is because what you're helping me to identify is your better area of vision, so that in a little while when I start to teach you the technique, we know where your better area of vision is, and that's the bit we'll be looking at optimising.
Okay.
Okay, so that's what we're doing this for. This chart, literally a square with a series of vertical lines, half a centimetre apart. Do those lines appear, if you focus to the centre of the square, I don't know whether you were able to, it's like horizontal, yeah? Are you able to, when focusing on that cross, tell me whether the lines appear to be straight to you or wavy?
They're straight. There is an ever so
where you can see them.
Yeah, straight where I can see them, and there's ever slight kink here, but I can see the kink.
Okay.
But all the way through they are straight.
Okay, that's fine. I'm going to flick it over so through 90 degrees now, so it's on the horizontal. Now, can you tell me, again, focusing on that central cross in the middle, where if the lines are straight for you or if there are any wiggly deviations?
Again, here there's a slight wiggly curve, but I can see it.
Okay. Right. Okay, that's great then. So I think what we've established then is that you've got a bit more of a problem going on in your bottom left quadrant. You've got a little bit of a ring scotoma going on, and it sounds like the area that is your most functional and useful vision is your top right quadrant. Okay, so if you were looking at a clock, sort of between just after 12 and just before 3 is pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, right. I'm going to have to get some more papers now, so we can put some of these